It is exciting that you've taken the leap of faith in yourself and have started looking into the challenge of making money online. Affiliate marketing is a great place to start, but only successful if you put time, effort, and skills into the approach. And keep an eye on your analytics to ensure you are mastering the sport of the affiliate marketing and making money on the journey. You can join me at my new group, the SEE group of business owners, and I can assist you through your journey and just follow the advice given in this course and you will understand the journey a little easier. I will suggest to you many of the programs I use and how you can use these programs to your best advantage. Firstly, I want to introduce you to the great program called ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels. When you set up your affiliate connections to promote it, it is best to use a landing page rather than just post the links to the programs. The landing pages are designed to promote the features and the benefits of your program, encouraging those interested to actually purchase. This is where you start to create the know, like, and trust with your potential customers, a very important exercise to do. ClickFunnels is a great program for this, as it offers you more than just a landing page program. It has all of the marketing ideas behind why you add what you do to where you add to your sales funnel. Always great to be part of a community that can assist you throughout your journey to your profits through affiliate marketing. Again, I'll mention the CSE group is a great group for you to join to be able to continue to get support from us, or just the ClickFunnels community. When building your sales funnel, it is important to match your domain name and the URL to represent your offer. So the product that you choose in the category in which you choose to sell in, make sure that your domain name reflects that same industry. Structure each stage of your marketing to target correctly. Take note of the who, the what, the why, and the how of those considering your offer, and the rest will be easy. If you are targeted correctly, you are just wanting to create the catch to encourage them to purchase. This could be time urgency, dollar discount, or many of the marketing tools that ensures they purchase your product. Always add a guarantee, so there is no risk to the purchase. Whenever there's no risk, you have a higher return. As they move through your sales funnel, you will now recap on the points of interest to them, always talking about the benefits of the product and what they can get out of the features of the product. So the benefits are the most important thing to be able to sell within your sales funnel. It's very important to set up your funnel in just the right sequence to ensure that you have the opportunities to capture upsells, downsells, one-time offers, to ensure maximum revenue spent. Once they have been secured for the sale, you want to ensure that you are able to capture as much from that purchase as possible, giving them value. Ensuring that your sales funnel or funnels are in sync with each other to capture the best opportunities throughout the customer's sales approach is also super important. So if you have a sales funnel selling a particular product and you know that you can upsell, but it is a whole category of products that you want to upsell, you can add a new funnel just to get that lead from the person and the upsells. Ensuring that your sales funnel or funnels are syncing is really important, so that you can ensure that your payment systems are all working together. You are capturing the email addresses of your potential customers so that you can sell them in the future, and making sure that everything, including your domain, is attached to your funnel. Always include your social proof. That's the proof of the product, whether you're promoting yourself, give yourself some social proof. Make sure that your product is showing that it can build a trust factor between you, the product, and the potential customer. As you would be aware, a high percentage of potential customers leave before the sale, so it's important to incorporate exit offers. Within your funnel, you can have pop-ups to make sure that on exit, you're giving them that added opportunity to purchase. After the event, you can run retargeting ads to those that have come through your funnel to try and encourage them to purchase. So you're ensuring that your funnel is completely set up to take advantage of every opportunity available whilst they're in the buying mode. These points are not here to scare you. into not traveling down this journey, but to show you how you can develop your sales funnel and how you should be developing your sales funnel to ensure that you receive all of the potential income that is possible in this very competitive market. Affiliate marketing is very financially rewarding, but when done well, it is a lot of work. If not done well, then as you can see with lots of YouTube videos, you are just getting into an industry. If you think you're coming in to make money quickly, not do much work, it's not the industry for you. You really need to put the time and effort and the learning into being a successful affiliate marketer. We're here to assist you, and we can find all of the training that we've done and all of the experiences that we've had will be in our CSE group, and you can learn from our mistakes and our advantages and our profits. The ClickFunnels program and our community are both really good places to start. So hoping that you continue this journey, and we will continue it with you. See you on the inside.